Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable always on display on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search always on display. From here, just scroll down and download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, just tap on Draw over the apps. Now just scroll down and tap on Movies Edge. From here, just enable this toggle. And once you do that, just go back. From here, just tap on AOD. Now just open the always on display style you like. I will choose this one. Now if you tap on edit, you can edit the always on display style as you like. Now once you have edited the always on display style as you like, just tap on save. From here, just tap on apply. Now if you lock your smartphone, you can see that we have successfully enabled always on display on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable always on display on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.